One of the most dangerous places where you'll see first responders is outside of their vehicles, either on or adjacent to streets, highways, and freeways. Our November Law of the Month is Emergency Response Safety. So we're really counting on drivers out there to slow down, pay attention, and move over if they can, and really make sure that they keep us safe while we're keeping them safe.
It's a very uneasy feeling anytime that you're out there. Sometimes it's just a matter of, I think drivers are just not paying attention, and that's when bad things happen.
The purpose of this new law is to add extra protection in emergency response zones. In addition to adding protections for firefighters, paramedics, and law enforcement officers, it also protects construction workers, maintenance workers, and utility workers. So if you're in an area where you can see the red and blue lights or the white and red lights of the fire engine or other apparatus, do not use a handheld phone. This new law also doubles the fines for violations that result in injuries to workers in these emergency response zones.
We need room to work. Slow down regardless of the situation, and if you can, move over to an opposite open lane. Give the space to those who are working there, and then go on your way.
First responders, we're your husbands, we're your brothers, your sisters, your daughters and sons, and we want to do our job safely, and we want to get home to our families.